Okay, I think it's safe to say October is by far the best month for me in terms of sneakers. I have 2 more pickups on the way and the Warriors ring night. It definitely was not ruined by the Lakers.
Our first 2 games are against 2 title contenders, so, it's always, good to spoil a ring night. So my mindset is going up and starting the season, with a couple W's.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, fresh off of ring night, opening night for the NBA. Brand new season. The rings are big. They are massive for the Warriors, kind of like that deficit the Lakers were facing in the third quarter. And it was like by the baby dubs. Like, we sat the starters down. You let the baby dubs do you that way. Don't be fooled by the final score. It was not that close. It just certainly wasn't. I don't even care if we were only up by 7 at halftime. Lakers, if you listen, Rob Pelinka, I would just stay indoors, okay? Because like the fans may come after you if you go outside. That's all I'm saying. I'm just looking out for your well-being, because even as a non-Lakers fan, what have you done? Like, you gave LeBron nothing to work with in this season. That's all I'm throwing out there right now. That's no disrespect to Russ or AD, but I just don't see it working. Like, I don't. Listen, I have all faith. My Warriors can go back to back. We can go back to back. We can run it back to back. Okay. So I have a lot of faith in us there. Very excited to see how the entire season plays out, but what an opening night. Okay. So let's move on from the NBA. I have 2 pairs of sneakers on the way. Joe Freshgoods, gonna give you your flowers, sir. A very successful, well done Instagram shock drop for your brand new 993 or 990 V3. It's amazing to see when we've seen a designer go a certain way in terms of release. It doesn't necessarily work out. They take it all in stride and then they come back and it's improved. No complaints. Now, the funny thing, I actually missed the whole shock drop. So I finally get on Twitter to browse later on in the afternoon, and I see people saying like, hey, these were available, checked out. And I'm like, there's no way possible I'm going to go on this Instagram shop and it'll be available. There's no way possible. No, I went in hours later. I'm talking like 9 hours later in the day, and I'm able to check out. So there were 3 pastel colorways specifically for the 993. I went for the sage green. I don't have tons of predominantly green sneakers in my collection. I just thought that would be really nice. Plus, I have Penny Cookie Pink in the 9060 he did, so I just wanted a different shade. And the weight, now I will have to hold my breath to ensure that these ship. We understand that. And I know the price is off-putting to some. Please be mindful also, though, that $251 price, that's including tax and shipping. So I sometimes don't really look at that in terms of what did the shoe actually retail for. And I'm good with that. I had money budgeted and set aside based on project checks coming in of what I wanted to do and what pairs I wanted. So the Joe Freshgoods 993 is secure. As soon as it arrives, I'll get that out for you. If it arrives prior to me being out of town. If not, then I appreciate your patience in me getting to that video. Second, my friends are like the real MVPs, y'all. They are amazing. Do you guys remember when Sneakers App handed me that very quick Nike SB Dunk Low Dodgers L? Kind of like the L the Dodgers took. Listen, people fall. Padres are amazing. So I still secured that, though, thanks to an amazing friend who went to his local skate shop and they had my size. So I'll have that on the way as well. Again, just shout out to amazing friends and blessings, because I wanted this one very badly. Even being a Yankees fan, yes, I still wanted this pair. And shout out to somebody who commented on, I believe it was Twitter, it's all right, the Dodgers played in New York back in the day, so we'll go ahead and let that slide. I appreciate the grace. Thank you. Because I still needed these. Now, because it is the Dodger blue, we know what that goes with, right? Goes beautifully with Warriors. Not to mention Klay Thompson's brother also plays on the Dodgers. So it's just this perfect synergy that's coming together. Like, it's meant to be, or at least I'm going to continue to think in my mind it's meant to be. So you'll certainly see the Dodger pair probably fitted with something that's Klay Thompson. I just feel like it's right. It's only right. We all know I have like a shirt with his face like all over it from draft night. So I intend to get that video up as soon as it arrives. There's like not a rush. Again, I don't rush my friends to get pairs over to me. I just don't. I just appreciate them going out of their way to, you know, get something for me that I really want. So October has been amazing. It's also been very expensive, and it probably still won't be the most expensive month by far that I've had heading into my birthday weekend with some things that I'm trying to work out and get situated. But I just wanted to check in with you guys real quick. So successful Instagram pickup from Joe Freshgoods for his latest New Balance collaboration. Nike SB Dunk Low Dodgers on the way. And also, as you guys know, the 218 Jordan 2 Low is on the way as well. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and comment below if you were able to secure any of those pairs during these recent months. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.